What's up, Skid family? We got a banger for y'all. So, my brother-in-law, Kevin, got a 94 318. About to go put some coilovers on that baby. Give her some angle. Align it, clean it. We're going to transform her today. I guess we're going to call this Operation E36 Transformation. We'll step outside right quick. Let y'all see what we working with. All right, here she is. 5-stair pump squealing, I already know. 94, manual, of course. Full interior. This car is clean. Whoever owns it took good care of it. It got a brand new radiator on it. Like this car is definitely solid. So don't mind the shop rag. That's the car's tongue. But nah. Y'all see it. Alright. So like I stated, this is my brother-in-law's car. I'm about to drive it up to the shop. Sean's gonna follow me up there. My brother-in-law's gonna meet me up there with the coilovers. We have the E36 arms, E90 tie rods and stuff. Just a little, you know what I'm saying, just a little put together angle kit. And then hopefully the roads are a little wet. Hopefully they continue to stay wet. We'll probably see if we can get them outside and get them some practice. But hey, we got 436s on the channel. I hope y'all are as excited as I am. We about to go up. It's only the beginning, baby. Y'all stay tuned. Let's go. I'll see y'all when we get up to the shop, baby. All right, y'all. So we just got up to the shop. Got my man Kevin behind the camera. We got the Maxspeedingrods out the box, out the bags. They looking sturdy. They feel sturdy. Nice quality. So we're gonna slap these babies on. Y'all see how she's sitting right now? We're gonna slap them on and y'all gonna see the end result. Stay tuned, let's get it. So we got the rear coilovers in on my man Kevin's car, as you can see. The Maxspeedingrods there in there, nice and sturdy. No play in the strut or whatnot. So we're gonna get the angle kit installed. We're gonna work on that. I'm gonna let Sean explain to y'all and let y'all know what we got. We're gonna work up for that.
All right, so essentially I'm passing Kevin down because I already moved to the Wizards of Lock angle kit. So we're passing down the E46 arm budget kit, brand new E90 inners, lollipops from Condor for E46 arms, offset bushings. So we're gonna slap all these on here, and then we're going to put the front coilovers on and give her an alignment, see how she does.
Yep.
Got it out.
coilovers on, got the alignment done. We even took extra steps. We washed it. We did a little wax on the hood just to see what the paint will look like. One day we're gonna eventually 3-step the paint and see if we can get it looking spicy. So we got our line, got the coilovers on. She's doing good, she's looking sweet. My man Kevin, we got him looking right.
And you found the water.
Yeah, and I lost a bottle of water and I found it. So
You did find
I'm
the
happy
water.
about that. So what you think about the car? How you feel about, like, as far as the install and as far as working on them? This is your first BMW, your first rear-wheel drive. How you feel about it?
Yeah, it went smooth and it's looking good. Can't wait to get some seat time.
So that's the goal now. We're gonna order some more parts. But just seat time, get my man hands up. Dang, this joint look OD on the camera. Yes, sir. Yo, where the fuck you get them hands from? Where the hell that come from? Go ahead, put it over there.
Exactly what I told him. Let it go out a little. There you go. Swing back. There you go. Yeah, nigga.
My son! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Good shit. Fuck yeah. So I forgot to give y'all an update, outro. As y'all can see, it's the next day. It's snowing this behind. I hope it sticks to the ground because you know. Anyway, you see the 36 behind us. We got Kevo's coilovers installed. We got the E36 arms, E90 inners, and we got the alignment done. As you see, we took him out. He got it. I don't know what happened to that boy. He must have been looking at some YouTube videos or something, but he said, y'all boys got to be messed up. Y'all not going to be driving my car like that. He hopped in there and put his foot in it. So I'm happy to see that he getting the skill up. Mind y'all, this is his second time driving this car. He does not drive it on the daily. It sits here at my place, tucked away. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. It's snowing OD right now. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.